Hi guys, on this demonstration, I'm gonna walk you through on how to create a single opt-in page using MOBESites. So if you're a MOBE affiliate partner, it doesn't matter if you're just a standard affiliate or certificate affiliate, you should have access or you should be eligible to create a landing page using the website. Okay, so before this demonstration, I just want to give a shout out to my subscribers. Their name are Girish Samrat, if I pronounce it well, if I pronounce it one correctly, and also to Adele. And hopefully, guys, you will create your own opt-in page in MOBEsite and take advantage of the situation because, as we know, if you're an affiliate, it's just free for us to use. Okay, so before this demonstration, I actually prepared already an agenda right here so that we'll be on track on our discussion. So the first agenda is I will talk about how to get access to MOBEsites. The second agenda is creating a single open page versus a sales funnel. So I will discuss about that one. And the third on the agenda is I'll talk about MOBE affiliate support. So this is a website in MOBE. Fourth on the agenda is to create a single opt-in. So I will also navigate and how to use the editor of MOBEsites. And the fifth on the agenda is that I'll be attaching my autoresponder into the landing page that we'll be creating. Six on the agenda is attaching tracking code. So basically, as we know that most of our customer prospect, they have a Facebook account. So we will create a custom audience and then we will get our Facebook pixel code and we will attach it one to the landing page that we'll be creating a MOBEsite. The seventh on the agenda is we will create a custom domain name and we will attach that one as well to our landing page. Okay, so without further ado, so let's go to the first agenda, which is how to get access to MOBEsite. Okay, in getting access to MOBEsite, what you need to do first is that you need to go to mobe.com and then click this link right here, support, and then submit a request. And basically, you just need to put the email address that you are using in logging into your MOBE back office. And then the subject right here, you can type, I need login information for my MOBEsite account. And then for issue category, you can choose adder and also technical help because they don't have really specific for MOBEsite. So you can just use these two categories. And then on the description, just put a simple wording. I just want to have access to my MOBEsite account. Can you provide to me my login information? And that's it. So you click this button right here to submit. So what will happen is that this will create an order ticket for you and then you will receive that one in your email. So just take a look in your email and basically MOBE support will just reply to you within 1 to 2 business days. So once you get your login information, you can go now to MOBEsites. Okay, so it should be looking this way. Okay, so basically this is already your, once you are inside MOBEsite, you will have your preface or your front face of your website. And as you can see, I do have already a couple of single opt-in right here and also a basic squeeze funnel. Okay, so to create an opt-in page or a landing page, you just need to click on this blue cross button. So basically, when you log into your MOBEsite, just put the login information that you receive from the MOBE support team. So just put the email address, and usually they will give you an automatic generated password. So you can just change it to your own password. And then when you are here and ready to create your landing page, just click this one right here, this button. And then you do have the option right here to create a single open page or a basic squeeze funnel. So the difference between these two, actually from my experience, actually the single open page gives me a higher conversion comparing to the basic squeeze funnel. And you will be asking this question, why? My answer to that one is that this is again basing from my experience, is that a single open page is more enticing or more appealing to prospect because they just need to provide their information, right? You can just ask for their name and their email address and then send them directly to the sales funnel. because in the basic quiz funnel, this is good if you do have your own product, but since if you are just like an affiliate marketer and you do have a mother company, I don't think the basic quiz funnel work that well, as I actually use this one in promoting like MOBE products and also other products from different company. It doesn't turn out that well, because what will happen is that from your open page, it will go to your thank you page. So there's another step, comparing to just from your open page going directly to your sales funnel, because for me it's redundant, because on the sales funnels there's always a thank you page at the end, and having your own thank you page, so it's like having double thank you page, and it doesn't really appeals that well as a prospect, right, as a customer, in the point of view of a customer. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. So to proceed, so to create a single up-end page, just click this link right here, create single page, and you do have a couple of templates that you can use right here. So if this template, let's say this template really looks appealing to you, you can preview it and then use the template. So just click this button right here. Okay, let's do that one. And then you can just change everything that you see on this template. You can change the heading, you can change all the wordings in here, you can change the picture, you can add a testimonials, and then you can edit everything. And that's how it works. Okay, so so let's get out from here, and we will also do one for a basic quiz funnel. So basically, a basic quiz funnel, as you can see, there is a single open page and also a thank you page. So you can create a single open page, and also you can create a separate thank you page, and you just going to connect both of them. Okay, so that's the only difference. But since I already explained to you which one really works best, if you're doing affiliate marketing, for me the single open page really worked best. Okay, so we're done on the second agenda. Now, I would like to talk about MOBEaffiliatesupport.com. So this is a website owned by MOBE. So this is the third in our agenda in here. Okay, so if you're an affiliate marketer with MOBE and you don't know which of the 21 step system you're trying to promote, just go in here. Okay, just click this link, marketing tools, and you do have the 21 step system funnels. As you can see, the 21 step throughout the time has changed its name for several times. So the first one, I think it's the My Top Tier Business, and then it was changed to 45 minutes and so on. And then I think the latest right now is the Wi-Fi Millionaire, but we don't have the Wi-Fi Millionaire in here. So in this demonstration, I would like to use the seven figure freedom formula. And these are the information. So just read on the product details, and you can actually get a couple of words right here when you're creating already your landing page. And we do have also the product logos. You can copy and save this one to your computer. And we do have now the up-end template. So basically, later we will use one of this template in here. We do have also the funnels. So if you're creating your own funnels, we do have also for our banner ads. Just get the code right here. If you know a blogger, and then you can contact a blogger and then just give this code right here so that he can advertise your product, and then if someone click on it and then go with the program, purchase the program, you will earn commission. Okay, we do have also a product image right here. I would like to use this one later on our funnel. So I'm sorry, in our landing page, so I would like to copy this one. Okay, I will save the image and I will attach this one in my computer. Okay, and it download in PNG file, so that's what we need. And we do have also a keyword right here. So basically, if you're writing a blog, you can write something about this one and use the keyword. And email swipe. So if you're also in email marketing, you can use the swipes right here. Just put your link and the same stuff. Like if they will click your link and they will go with the program and purchase it, you will earn commission. Okay. Okay, to continue, so we are now on the fourth agenda, which is to create a single opt-in, and I'll be also navigating the editor of MOBESites. So for me to do that one, so let's go back in here. So I will create a simple opt-in. So I will use this template. So basically when I click this link, it will open up the MOBESites. Okay. Okay, so let's click OK. And then edit the page. Okay, so if you're just new with MOBESites, it's really good, guys, that you will take on this tool right here so that you will know what are these buttons in here, because this is the page editor tutorial. So since I'm knowledgeable about everything in here in MOBESites, I will just end the tour. Okay, so basically these are the options that you can click in here. um, right now MOBEsite has a problem with their provider. So as you can see, if you click this add new right here, you cannot put any widget. So if you want to add something like, let's say, a picture, a video, or anything like a button, you need to contact MOBEsites or MOBEsite support for them to add this widget into your landing page. So that's really a hassle. Unfortunately, they have not fixed this one. I think it's already a month right now that they have not fixed this one. And you can also click edit, and you can just turn off or turn on this one right here. As you can see, if I will turn off, this one will be removed, right? See? And I will put this one to on again, and those information will show up again. Okay, so uploads, you can upload your own picture, your own video, everything in here, like a file or something like that. So you can add that one in here. And this one, this is really the most important for me right here, the page settings, because this is where you can integrate your um, email autoresponder. You can also add your tracking code or your Facebook pixel code in here. And if you don't like, if you do have questions regarding and how to create a good landing page, you can just click this button right here to help. And eventually it will route you through the support, the one I showed you earlier, so you can create a ticket. Okay, so now I would like, since I'm done with navigating with the editor right here, so I will create a single opt-in page using the one we have right now. Okay, so to create a single opt-in page, let's say I would like to add a picture in here, another picture, the one that we saved. So I'm just going to duplicate it and then choose an image. Okay, so I will go to recent. Okay, and then I will use the image, and there you go, I do have already the image. Okay, next I would like to configure the information that is written in here. So I already prepared one for myself because for me this is more appealing. So I will just copy this one and I will paste this one in here. Okay, and then I will just change the font of this one in here. I will make it more smaller. So I'll change the font size, so I will choose 18. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, if I'm good with that one, I will just click save. Okay, and this one, enter your name here, so that's good. Enter your text here. So I want to change this one to enter your BIS email address. So I will put that one right here. Enter your best email address. So I'll just put email here. I think that's good. Okay, enter your best email here. Okay, and I will click save. Okay, maybe I'll just put email address because it doesn't make sense, right? Okay, we save. Okay, that looks good. And this one, okay, and this should, okay, submit a form. So when they click this button right here, it will submit a form. So basically, since I'll be connecting my email autoresponder into this landing page, I will get the information, and from there they will be routed to the sales funnel of the product of this 7 figure freedom formula. Okay, to continue, let me save this one. Okay, so I'm already good with this one in here. So my landing page is already good. Okay, let me just remove this one. So if you do have some disclosure, you can actually put that one in here. But since I don't have prepared right now, so I will just leave it as the moment. Okay, let me save again. And next on our agenda is that we will attach our autoresponders. So for us to do that one, just click on this gear button in here. Okay, so email CRM settings. And then we will choose our autoresponders. So I do have Aweber. And choose the list to connect form to. So I'll be connecting that one to this particular list, the Matloy 21 step system. And then the page viewer see next. So I would like to choose custom URL, and I would like to put the my affiliate link into this URL tab in here. So for me to do that one, let me first go to my MOBE back office. So this is the one right here. So this is a sales letter video for this particular product, the 7-figure freedom formula. So I will copy that one and then go back to your MOBEsite again, and then just attach the URL here and then click OK. Okay, that's it. And then we will go back again in here, and then we will attach our tracking code. So as of this time, we do have a problem with adding our tracking pixel right here with a single up-end page. As you can see, if we click, we receive this error message. So basically what is this is that as of this time, again, same with the adding a widget, we cannot do it by ourselves, but the MOBE support team can do it for you. So just give them a message, create a ticket, and they will just attach your tracking pixel code. So but if you're creating a sales funnel, a basic squeeze funnel, you don't have this problem. Let me show you. Okay, yep, this one. So this is a basic squeeze funnel that I created for my 4% program. So as you can see, if I go in here, a tracking code for this funnel, I already added a Facebook pixel code. So how did I add this one? Okay, so actually I'm gonna walk you through. I do have already a separate video about this one, but since on this demonstration I would like you guys to learn how to do it, so I will just include this one in here. So just click this button in here and go to create ads, and then just wait for it to upload. Okay, then just close this one and just go in here and then audiences. Okay, so if you have, like for example, this particular product, you're promoting the 7FF, right? So you need to create a new ad so that you can capture those customer that will end up in your landing page, because not all of them will going to open, right? Not provide your information. At least you can retarget them later on when you're doing a different form of advertising. Okay. So I will just be showing you guys on how to get your Facebook pixel code. So just choose, like for example, if you do have already a running program in here, so just click on it and then go in this tab right here, actions, and then view pixel, and you should have your pixel base code right here. So you just copy this one and then attach this one over here. Okay, so just click on it. Let's say this one, right? So just click on it and then attach the pixel code and then just save. That's it. So that's how you attach a pixel code. But once again, in the single open, you can't do that one because of that error message. So you just need to create a support ticket and then include the pixel code, and then the back office of MOBEsite will just be the one doing it for you. Okay? So we're clear on that. So now we will proceed on our last agenda, which is attaching a custom domain. So for us to do that one, if we're good already with our landing page, we are now ready to publish it. So just click on this button in here, publish now. And usually this is the given URL, so you can actually use this one in promoting the 7FF. But if you want to use your own custom domain name so that it will be unique to you, you can click this button right here, use a domain name for this page. Okay, So if you are new, you don't have yet a custom domain. But for me, since I'm doing this one for 2 years right now, like I do have already a couple of domain that I can use in here. So if you're new, you just need to enter a new domain, and basically what will happen is that let's click on that one. So if you click on this one right here, so take me to account setting. Okay, and you will be given the instruction like how to create like you add a new domain. So you'll be given an instruction, a detailed instruction on how to do that one. Okay, so let's click on this one right here, add a new domain. So basically you just need to attach your new domain and click next, and then the instruction will show up, so just follow it. But I can actually show you guys and how it looks like. So basically, if you are in your GoDaddy account, you just need to go to manage and then manage DNS. Okay, so if you're already on this part of your screen right here, so basically if you're attaching it to a MOBE site funnel or landing page, I mean, so you just need to create a CNAME record, and then the name, you just need the www, and then the value, you need to put this one in here, the 10minutefunnels.com, and then the TTL is 1.5 hour, and then save it. Actually, you can remove this other information in here. You don't need this one, but I don't actually care if this information is in here, because my funnel is already working and running, so I can just leave that one as it is. Okay, so basically that's it. So let's publish it again. Okay, and I will just use this MobeMillionaireChallenge.com. Okay, so let me just one moment right here. I need to go back because I need to have a slug. Okay, so you can actually change the slug in here, so I can actually put my name, so that it will be www.mobemillionairechallenge.com/Dave Manriquez. So it's more like, it's more personal, right? So I would like to do that one. So I would like to set it as a home page. Okay, so I'll click OK. Okay, and then I'll publish that one in here. Okay, and use the domain. Okay, I would like to use the domain and publish this page with this domain. Okay, there you go. So this is our domain, www.mobemillionairechallenge.com/Dave Manriquez. So let's try. Okay, so we will open a new address right here, put our URL, and there you go. So this is how our landing page will look like, and you can actually uh, put the information right here if this is really working. So let's just put an email address that we can use. Yep. Okay, so let me just put this one right here. Okay, it's already in here, and let's try. So what will happen? There you go. So it's just go directly to our sales funnel in here. Okay, since this is already working, guys, and if you do have question for me, and if you do have question for me, and regarding this tutorial video, just leave your comment below. And if you like this tutorial video about MOBESites, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys, so that later on in the future you can follow me, and then I'll be doing more tutorial videos on different marketing tools.